Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my series, Professional Video Production on a Shoestring Budget. Today I'm going to show you how to take a tripod head off of this Velbon C400 tripod so you can get it into your overhead carry bag. I'm going down to Mexico pretty soon, and I really wanted to take this tripod with me. It's a great little tripod, and I picked it up for $17 on Craigslist up here in Canada. Check out my review of the tripod up here. I demo it and I talk about it. And it's actually really easy to do. All you need are some a box cutter, screwdriver, a small screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and you'll want some tissue. You'll want some paper tissue. There's grease on these parts. And for packing it in my overhead, I'm going to use an elastic band and a bag and a baggie, because there is grease involved. So let's take this thing off. It's real easy. The first thing I'm going to do, because I can do it, I'm going to take the handle off. And it's just, you unscrew this here, and the handle just comes right off. So I'm going to just take that off while I'm out. Now, you just need a pair of box cutters to lift this little plate off, and it just flips right off. I don't even know how it stays on there. It comes off so easy. And then there's the screw. So pay attention when you're taking this off. It's not tight at all. It comes off really easy. It's not tight at all. So when you're putting it back together, don't over tighten it. Now, the first time I did this, I couldn't get this little tab out with my tweezers. I had to get a screwdriver in there and kind of wiggle it a little bit and loosen it. And then it just came right out. Again, pay attention when you're taking it out to the position of that notch. That notch is up, and it just pulls right out. As I said, there's oil and grease in here, and now this is just going to come right off. Now when you're taking this off, be advised, that little square piece of metal in there isn't attached. The first time I did that actually fell out, and I had this piece of square metal sitting here on the tripod, and I was like, uh-oh, that's not good. Where'd that come from? And I figured it out. It actually goes, it goes in behind your rotation tensor screw. But that will come out. That will come out. So if you see that, that's what it is. It goes right there. And if you see that falling out, just that's where it is. Okay, so let's get ready to pack this thing up. Now there is, as I say, there's oil and grease on there, so you don't want to get that on your clothes. So I'm just going to take a plastic bag here. Elastic band. And that fits on there nicely, so that will protect your clothes. And for the tripod head, I'm just going to put the tripod head in here. And I'll wrap my other bits and pieces, the screw and the wedge, I'll wrap that up in a paper towel, and I'll throw that in there as well. And that's it. So, and if you're doing this and you're going traveling, don't forget to take your tools. Don't forget your tools, box cutters, screwdriver, tweezers. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you want to take your tripod head off for traveling, for sure that's the Velbon C400 and the C500. And it might work for whatever tripod you have too. Have a look at it. The key is if you see a screw where the head is, take that off, and if there's a tab in there, that should be what's holding the tripod head onto the tripod. So have a go, have a look. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Check out the review I've done of this Velbon C400 tripod. I'm really impressed with that little tripod. And I've got other videos. I just recently got a DJI Mini 2, and I've got a video up on that, tips for beginner flyers and and how to fly the Mini 2. I've got a Insta361R. I've done some videos on that, workflows and stuff like that. So check out my series, Professional Video Production on a Shoestring Budget. You might find something in there that helps. So cheers. Thanks for watching, guys.